What's up, Airsoft fans? It's Kasper with Mercenaries Incorporated. Welcome to my first Airsoft video. And today, I'm going to be bringing you action from Nashville Airsoft. This place is known for its tight corridors and ever-changing field layouts. This dynamic environment keeps the gameplay fresh and unpredictable while making each match a unique experience. Today, I'll be running my Smith & Wesson M&P and an E-Vike ballistic shield. Now let's dive right into the action.
Oh, is that y'all spawn? Is that your spawn? I'm going. Your lights off. Damn it.
One.
Target acquired.
Hit my shield. Hit my shield.
Don't give me that dirty look.
Well, that's all I have today. Thanks for watching today's showdown, and I hope you all enjoyed the thrill of the game as much as I did. Don't forget to leave a comment, tell me what you liked, or tell me what you didn't like, and subscribe to see more epic battles in future videos. Well, until next time, stay sharp, stay savage, and I'll see you in the next op.